At number 2, we have the DJI RS4 Pro. This is our runner-up pick and delivers exceptional stabilization performance with its ability to handle professional camera payloads up to 10 pounds. The gimbal features carbon fiber arms with Teflon coating for smooth adjustments and reduced friction during setup. Its motorized auto-locking system enables quick deployment and storage, while the geared mounting plate with thumbscrew adjustment simplifies the balancing process. A standout feature is the native vertical shooting capability without requiring additional accessories. Users can simply reposition the mounting plate. The device offers a 20% increase in motor torque across all 3 axes, providing enhanced stability and responsiveness, particularly evident in the new car mount mode for vehicle-based shooting. The 1.8-inch OLED touchscreen provides easy access to controls, while physical buttons and switches allow for quick mode changes and camera control. Battery life extends up to 13 hours, and the system supports wireless focus control through the Focus Pro hand unit with a 524-foot range.